Papa of PaPa's page here. Today we're here for Cast Iron Wednesday. I'm going to cook mushroom Swiss burgers. So let's take a look at the ingredients we got. Got some hamburger, an onion, some mushrooms, buns, condiments, and Swiss cheese. I'm ready to go. I've got the onions and mushrooms are all chopped up, and the burgers are made into about quarter-pound balls. So I'm going to start by cooking the mushrooms and onions. The mushrooms and onions look like they're cooked, so I'm going to set them aside and bring the bigger skillet in to cook the burgers and heat it up. We'll put some of the mushrooms and onions in here to help dry them out a little bit. Put a piece of Swiss cheese on top of the burger. Here's a shot of the burger, and we'll put the top on. Okay, let's see what it tastes like. Mushroom burgers are one of my favorites, and it's good. Thank you for watching. Give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.